Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to BNN. So I think all of you guys know Kamburi Chigogo. She's another tea spiller. She was talking the other day about Andrew Kibe being taken to court over an unpaid loan of almost 2.5 million Kenya shillings.
At this point, I'm honestly convinced Andrew Kibe would have just gone for that TDJX thing. Probably, Andrew Kibe, you will have got some tips on how to clear off your debt.
TDJX is in town, not Bishop TDJX. Businessman TDJX has come to teach business. Entrepreneurship. For what? You guys charging us 10K to sit and listen to him, bruh. And Africans, Kenyans, jingly here, there's nothing.
So Andrew Kibe, this guy here, he's a radio personality. He's on Kiss 100 Breakfast. He was on Energy Radio. He's like one of the most controversial, opinionated people online who make videos. And in 2012, Andrew Kibe went to this guy, apparently a colleague called Joshua, took a loan of 215,000, okay, from this guy called Joshua. And then the payment time, the payment period that was stipulated was 18 days. And it was going to accrue an interest rate of 55,000. I hope you guys are following. First of all, I'm reading this and I'm just thinking, my God, what exactly were they doing back then? Were they selling drugs or something? Ama alikuwa amechukua pesa afungue pub. And then, if that 55,000 or if this 215K plus the 55K interest rate hazikuwa zimerudi within a stipulated period of time, Andrew Kibe was supposed to pay 7.5% interest again, that 55,000. So this loosely translated to him having to pay a lot of money and him being so desperate to agree to such stringent interest rates. My God, he was so desperate, and I'm sure at the back of his mind, this guy knew, I'm not paying you a single cent. How are you going to agree to this? Put in pen to paper? Ha!
A quick Google search and the full story was all over the news websites in Kenya. Citizen Digital reported that Andrew Kibe was arraigned in court last Wednesday for failing to pay a whopping 2.5 million shilling loan. This honestly sounds like a lot of money, and who just runs away with 2.5 million? He apparently just borrowed 215,000 Kenya shillings from a former colleague named Joshua Ichang'i Weru. The money was to be paid back in 18 days with a 55K interest. Failure to pay it back earned it a 7.5 interest every 4 days. So in the 7 years, the money has grown to a whopping 2.5 million Kenya shillings. Andrew Kibe was then ordered by the court to pay 500,000 Kenya shillings by Thursday this week and to work out a payment plan for the rest. Andrew Kibe went on his Instagram and talked about his whole ordeal about being arrested at his place of work.
Sudulation. Nilikuwa nimeshikwa. I am free now. Talk to me. Leteni maswali yote yale mko nayo. Kuna deni si kitu kubwa. Hakuna country haina deni. Okay, maybe there are some, maybe one or two. But kuna deni si kitu kubwa. Lakini sasa kama kunishika kwa stationi, sasa hiyo ni ungwana kweli. You guys, let me tell you how petty some people can be. Even before we've seen the judge, the story is already out. The whole story is out. Journalist squeeze buko chap sana. Chap sana. So anyway, with that being said, I pray that you treat your friends with leniency. Okay? Because mbio nimepelekwa my friend by somebody who I thought was my friend. My friend. Nimeonyeshwa maneno. So please, treat your friends with leniency. Hata kama mtu akona deni yako, isiwe ni kukufa. Not kata na shoka. Just be easy. Otherwise, shall we have any friends anymore? You get another 100 years, you guys will all be cannibals. Gratia. Heke dokege. Huh? Nothing else, bros. Fuck. Puny shit. Have a good one.
If you look at Andrew Kibe's Instagram and also this video that Mkamburi Chigogo made, you realize a lot of Kenyans are defending and others attacking him, saying he should pay back the loan. But one comment really caught my attention. Rose said that she knew exactly what Andrew Kibe used the money for. He used it to fund his campaign at the 2012 general elections as he was vying for MP of Langata. I actually personally didn't even know Andrew Kibe ran for office, and so I wanted to see if this claim is actually true. So I did a quick Google search trying to find more information about Andrew Kibe vying for office, but I couldn't actually find anything. It's like it wasn't recorded by a lot of people, or no news websites talked about it. Or I think Andrew Kibe at the time was pretty unknown, so no one cared. I actually had to go to the IEBC website and look at the actual general election report released by them, where they list all the candidates, which positions they vied for, and the votes. It's an 800-page document, and it's actually too long to read. So these days you can actually just do a Command F and you can search a document. So I searched the words Andrew Kibe, and there he is. There he is. I found information of his name. He's called Andrew Kibe Mburu, and he vied under this party UDF. So with this information, his full names and the party he ran with, I was able to find his Facebook page, which guys, let me just be honest, I've been laughing my ass off looking at Andrew Kibe's campaign page. He looks like a completely different person. I can even put up two pictures. This is a complete change and makeover. If you look at his Facebook campaign page, he looks younger and a little bit more serious and neat. He looks respectable. He was keeping his supporters informed about his campaign with posters, quotes, and I can even read for you some of the wise words he felt like putting up in his page. And this is a post from January 17, 2013. Andrew Kibe tells us, "As a man thinketh, so is he. If you think giving your votes to candidates like Peter Kenneth, Martha Karua, and Ole Kiapi is wasting your vote, then that's exactly what it will be. It is time for us to do things different and let the chips fall where they may. Live the next 5 years knowing you voted for the one you wanted, and it had nothing to do with tribe or voting another devil out. Let us have a ballot revolution. God bless Kenya." Why is it that everyone in Kenya thinks that vying for political office is actually making it? It seems like people in Kenya become rich, they all decide to vie for office. Look at recently Mariga is vying for the Kibra seat. Like, what business does he have vying for an elected position when he doesn't have a track record of actually helping any of those people in that community? And another post that made me laugh is when Andrew Kibe actually quoted Jesus Christ. In a post, he said, "Jesus was the greatest leader who ever lived. I mean, he would call out to someone and they would leave everything they were doing and follow him. I want to be that kind of leader with that kind of influence. I love the Lord with all my heart, and I'm not ashamed to say it. If you're a leader, then model your leadership to the principles of Jesus, and it will not be hard to get people to follow you." And I'm sure at the time this was not funny, but if you've actually been listening to what Andrew Kibe says on radio and on his Instagram account, you cannot reconcile these two people are the same person. Like, Andrew Kibe, what the fuck happened? What the fuck happened?
There's a message to the governor of Nairobi, whoever that guy is. Please, can you stop charging us to park in a shopping center? You guys are going to the supermarket to buy something. You've been told you have to pay city council parking, 300 bucks. Are you fucking out of your mind? Keep your parking in Tao. Bro, I'm going to the chemist to buy a pack of fucking condoms. I'm not going to pay 300 bob just to buy condoms. Songo, you don't want us to fuck in Nairobi? Fuck, I'm so disappointed. I was going to buy a nice bottle of liquor. You guys, before I've even finished parking, fucking me there is here on my window. Umelipa parking. Give me some time, motherfucker. Shit. So Zongo, I know you're big at taking people to court, but this is a suggestion. Don't get your panties in a knot.
So for all of you guys who follow Andrew Kibe, please let me know down in the comments, what happened to Kibe? How did he change from that to what he is today? Like, what exactly happened in the last 7 years? So guys, do you think this is why Andrew Kibe borrowed this 250,000 from his friend? I don't know, it's just a fun theory, but it's been a pretty fun theory. Anyway guys, that's all from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!